Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious mini funnel cakes. First, combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt in a large bowl. Whisk these dry ingredients together until well combined. Next, in a separate bowl, whisk together 1 and 1/4 cups of milk, 1 large egg, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Gradually add the wet mixture to the dry ingredients, stirring until just combined and smooth. Now let's get frying. Pour at least 2 inches of vegetable oil into a heavy-bottomed pot or deep fryer. Heat the oil to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully pour about 1/4 cup of batter into the hot oil in a circular motion, starting from the center and spiraling outwards. Fry for about 1 minute on each side, or until golden brown and crispy. Use tongs to carefully flip the funnel cakes. Once your mini funnel cakes are beautifully golden, carefully remove them from the hot oil. Place them on a wire rack set over a baking sheet to allow any excess oil to drain off. This step helps keep them wonderfully crispy. For that classic carnival taste, generously dust each warm funnel cake with powdered sugar. You can also get creative with toppings like fresh berries, whipped cream, or a drizzle of chocolate sauce. Your homemade mini funnel cakes are now ready to be enjoyed. Serve them warm for the best experience. Don't be afraid to experiment with your batter by adding a pinch of cinnamon or a dash of nutmeg for different flavor profiles. These treats are perfect for parties or a fun dessert at home. Remember to check the description for a link to grab some little trees, black ice, and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.